The happiest accidents have come from just experimenting. And the biggest shifts in my own style and career have happened because I have broken some of my own rules.
We can talk about a line from a pencil, we can also talk about a line of thought. The sketch is the proof of the idea.
Like, the great thing about sketching is that it marks a moment of beginning. We all remember when things started, like when a relationship with somebody started, or when a great moment in the project where the idea really came through.
Rotring is about thinking and sketching with the purpose of communicating visual ideas. Our cause is to provide the creative community with the tools to bring their art into industry. Creatives have always used sketching to help them develop powerful thoughts. Thinking and sketching, after all, is the beginning of the future. So think on. Create.